Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to uninstall 360 Total Security on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar on your taskbar and type Add or Remove Programs. Then click on it to open the app's settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your PC. Scroll through the list to find 360 Total Security. If you can't find it easily, use the search bar at the top of the apps list and search for 360 Total Security. Once you find the application, click on the three dots next to it. Then click Uninstall. A confirmation message will appear. Click Uninstall again to continue. The 360 Total Security uninstall window will now open. Click Continue to uninstall. Then click Next. After that, click Uninstall. If prompted again, click Continue to uninstall. You may be asked to select a reason for uninstalling the program or answer a few feedback questions. Choose any options you prefer and click Next. Finally, click Yes to confirm the uninstallation. The program will now begin uninstalling from your computer. Wait for the process to complete, and once it's finished, 360 Total Security will be successfully removed from your Windows 11 PC. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.